Namaskaram everyone. So today I'm going to show whatever the live trade I am going to take. So I thought of decide to showcase whatever the live trades I'm doing from today. Maybe not on everyday basis, but I'll surely show whenever I have any profits and losses as much as possible. So I'm going to use this intraday strangle. So basically on daily basis I use only strangle. Only on expiry I use strangle plus straddle, as we discussed in one of our video where we start with straddle and we'll end up with strangle in other cases. So this is our strangle we are going to use with the offset 4. So in one of our videos we have used the same one, but I showcase there with stop loss and target as 30-60, but due to volatile moves in recent days I'm going to use 50-70, 48-70 or 50-70. But the thing is, I'll enter with the streak. So earlier streak used to send the stop loss market order after the entry, but nowadays they are not sending. So I'm a bit afraid because there are chances of huge slippages. So instead, once the entry is made, I manually change the things. So let us see in live how I do these changes and how the position sizing I'm going to change accordingly. So this is our basic strategy. At 9:20 we are going to enter into a strangle with -4 PE plus 4 CE strangle with a stop loss of 48 points, target of 70. So how I'm going to do it, change it manually in the live market. I'll also record and show you guys, so you have something to learn from this on how I do. Good. So how I'm going to deploy this, deploy all, we can give two 1 day strategy cycle 1 MIS regular. So here you can use either limit or with some default price as LTP or low high with some buffer points. But however, since the volume will be high, I'm not going to use any limit orders directly. I'm going to use market order, take live. Once I went live, this is how it looks. Let us see once it got triggered at 9:20. Now we can see that Bank Nifty is going to open at 38,200. So 0.67 gap up is there. As in charts, we can see we have a resistance at 38,430 zone. So because previously it used to act as a support, once this support got broken, it is acting as a resistance. Now we can see time is 9:20. So we have Trade Rocket already plugin installed. I'm expecting signals to generate and trades to enter now. As we see, Trade Rocket has executed and our two trades has been entered. 37,500 PE, 38,300 CE. Both are almost near. So this is our running positions. If you see streak, both are having around 240 as a stop loss, 120 as a target around. It may end up in huge slippages, as we are observing earlier. They used to send stop loss limit, stop loss market order, but since exchange has stopped this stop loss market orders, they are not sending. However, let us use so 236, 242 buffer. Okay. Two 245. Okay, 120 target. 120. Now we have placed all the stop losses and targets. So that's it, guys. Let's see, when our stop loss hits, I'll change my positions accordingly. So I think we can stop our streaks. Keep positions open. 3 positions open. You can see Nifty went down 100 points or more, majorly because of Reliance, I guess. Reliance is dragging the Nifty, so around 3.5%, which is having a major weightage in Nifty, pushing the Nifty, and the selling pressure is continuing in Bank Nifty as well. We see that from opening it fall around 400 points Bank Nifty. Let us stick to our strategy. So basically why I'm showing these positions is because whatever the strategies I'm telling, it's not something blindly which I'm telling. Whatever I'm using, those only I'm telling. But I'm not a fan of buying. Initially I tried buying for few days or months, but it didn't work out for me. Now we see that already our PE stop loss got hit around 240. Current it is running in 1600 negative. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase my position sizing in CE. So currently CE is running around 190, 180. So let us use some hedge, 39,000 or whatever it is there in. Let us open option chain. Bank Nifty, whatever trading at around 9-10 rupees, 40,600. I'm going to buy 40,600 C. So majorly per margin benefit only I'm buying. This is not actually required, but let's add more. I added more. Now I'm going to cancel whatever they are in PE positions and increase the sizes of C. Modify 100, 100. Since our quantity is increased, even we can revise our target, sometimes. Let us open the contract and see where actually we have some pivot points. Yeah, I think pretty good. If it breaks this support 161, it can easily come down to 120, so we can keep this. Cool guys, this is our current running positions. After we hit stop loss got hit in our P, as you see it got hit stop loss 240 and then we went back, but it's okay. Since our stop loss hit, we are exit out of PE. We are not going to do anything with the PE. So let us stick to CE, and I'm expecting it to go to 120 at least. So that's our target. If it reaches 240, I'm done for the day. I won't even trade anything. So now even if market sustain here, if market sustain here or go down further, for sure will be in profit. Even a small pullback might come, because here at 37,700 there is some small support is there, which previously market took the support and go up in previous trading session. Let us see. So ideally what most of the times I do is I'll keep the 50 points stop loss for up to 930 or 940, because that's where the volatility is. See, maybe after 940 we can revise our stop loss and targets, but since to sustain in the volatile market, we have to use this. So guys, if you observe the PE, when we sold it is 190, but when the stop loss hit, it went around 240, 236 is our stop loss, it got hit. So almost 50 points it moved, whereas whatever we sold, it didn't move much. So there is a lot of movement can be possible. So that's where we need to capture. So as we see, there is a continuous selling pressure is going on in Bank Nifty. So I are already in somewhat profit. No, sorry, we recovered somewhat whatever we have. See, this is crazy. Recent days due to for hedging many people because of the margin rules by SEBI and all. Many people buying the OTM, so that's where we can see 9.6 for OTMs is increasing along with the decreasing CE. So can we make use of this for buying for 1 rupee, scalping kind of things? I don't know. I don't think so. Let's see. So now we can see our positions going to turn positive. So if this breaks, we can expect up to 490 or 500. Now our positions turns to positive. Now a small pullback might come because 3 continuous selling up to 930. It's not a good sign. So whatever that comes, that is from paper trading, I guess. So in paper trading I have multiple. With IB I am doing, and there is this next week's triangle. So similar to our triangle, here it will short on the next weeks. So it already made some profit of around 1500 and exited. That's cool, but still we are running in just 200-300 profit in current week's triangle. See, because these move exceptionally well with the direction, so we can't see much of the decay, but with the direction it plays very crucial role with the next week's triangle. So the next week's triangle, I gave profit and target and stop loss as 40-80, so around 2000 profit each day if it encountered. If it is loss, 4000 loss. So as we expected, we are seeing a small pullback, but until this candle breaks, I don't think so there will be any major move. Even if there is a major up move, we have a 20 EMA and 50 EMA placed here. It might touch here and may come down. So this is all about probability. It is not sure like once this is got break it has to go up. It's all the probability. So whatever the major probability, higher the probability, you need to be in that side, so there are high chances of making a profit. Now we can see our positions turned positive and we are in 2000 profit, but I'm stick to my target, which is 120. So let us see. So even if there is a up move, I don't think so it will move drastically, because anyway our stop loss is at 240, so which is around 90 points away. But we need to change the stop loss according to the markets. So maybe 130 it reaches, or I'll try to adjust, but I don't want to be in part of this stop loss hunting. So 30 more points, boom guys. So 30 points in the sense 30 into 100, 3000 more. I'm done with the trades for today. We can see guys, already in 140 it came, so 20 more points. Even with small sized or medium sized one more red candle closing below than this, I think we'll be making our move. 20 more points, yeah. So guys, it reached almost 126, 125. So I want to exit. Maybe market can return. Reverse anytime. So let us see. So already I got around 3700 profit, so even there is no loss in hedge, so I'm okay. I'm done with the trade. So still I'm going to watch, whether this will reach 120 or not. So why? Because I exited even with this drastic move. Actually this particular contract is not moving much, so I don't want to take any risk. But however, we can see still it is going 122, 123. Okay, maybe our target might hit, but however, since I'm okay with the profit, I don't want to take much risk. So we can see the low made, it is around 120.85. maybe it still won't hit our target. That's okay. Anyway, we exited with pretty good profit for the day. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned, because I did most of the thing as manual, even though the entry through streak, but mostly on expiries I use completely streak, even with small slippages. So I'll try to record mostly on expiry day, and I'll show you how I'm going to use streak for a trade. See guys, this PE is still at 236, wherever our stop loss also hit at 236 in 924 itself. So initially I used to do, increase the size in CE and bought the PE, but that might not helpful. Always stick to your strategy, don't make any changes without doing any back test as such. So as you see now, again it went back to 136, low made around 120. Good that we exited at least at 128 or 29. So Bank Nifty is trying to move above this pivot point. Let us see if this breaks and sustain above than this, we can still see some up move. However, we have this 20 EMA and 50 EMA, which is a major concern here. Okay guys, anyway, what I'm going to do on rest of the days, so maybe I'll sell OTMs which has executed by this, we have this IV strategy. Currently I'm using multiple contracts, so 7, 6, 8, 5, 5. Let us see if we get any good setup for the day. I'll do, otherwise I'm okay with 3600 profit. Chalo guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned.